Let me show you how to use the split screen feature on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So first, if you want to place one app, basically near another, it's very easy. First, you simply have to open up the first app that you want, for example, maybe place on the left side, and then either you can click basically these three lines here, and you see you open this like all the background apps, and you see you can simply click on the icon of the app. Basically you want split screen. So you see open and split screen view. So it will open on this side, and also you have to select the second app. So either from your recent apps, the ones you have basically in the memory, or also you can select from all apps list. So for example, let's open a calculator here, and you see we managed to basically get basically two apps. Also you see if you drag from the middle, you can also very easily resize this stuff. So for example, you can easily watch a video basically on this side while do something basically here as well. And then also see if you like, if you click this, for example, here, you can also like make this second app as an overlay here as well, if you want to. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, also see you can even like take this app and essentially like throw basically in the, okay, so again, simply hold this like kinda like line here. So you see it gets thrown basically here. And also you see, you can also, for example, even do the same on this one. So you kind of have both those apps in this view as well. For example, you see, so we have maybe video playing here, and not sure what's up, but absolutely awesome. And the second way is also very easy. So you see, basically once you open some app, if you want to place second app, you can also like click this like again this kind of line here, and you see you also have this option here to open up in split screen view. So probably even better. Okay, like